Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. I have another hair coloring video for you today. So after I first used the Overtone Rose Gold for brown hair, I have become obsessed with finding new products to color my hair because now I'm just so bored with plain brown hair. It is quite faded. It is something that washes out over time, and you can only really see some of it left right here. So I want to try out some more products. And lo and behold, I found this baby on my Instagram ads. This is the Common Panda hair color wax. And I got the shade purple. So this is like a coloring hair wax that you put on your hair and you can wash it out immediately. It's not like a semi-permanent color like the Overtone. This is something that you can change up every day. And that's kind of their tagline, is new color every day of the week. The video they had with this really interested me because I've wanted to try out other colors, but I don't want to, first of all, bleach my hair, at least at this point in my life. I want to kind of regain some moisture in my hair, but I also want to try out so many different colors, and if this actually works, that would allow me to That would allow me to do that. So let's check out what it says on the website, shall we? So it says it is cruelty-free, made from 100% natural ingredients. There's no scalp irritation, it's environmentally friendly, and it will not harm the health of your hair, which that's important. So when I bought this, I think it was around $15. Right now it's $12 on their website, and it says it's originally $30. I've never seen it actually $30, so just if you're interested in this, wait till it goes on a good sale. So they have 7 colors to choose from. There's pink, purple, silver, red, blue, green, golden, orange, and that's it. I hate these stupid film over the tops of things when they don't have like a longer pull tab, because I cannot grip this tiny little edge. In their frequently asked questions, they also say that this isn't going to stain anything like your t-shirt or your pillowcases, because that is a concern that many people had. They claim that once it's dry, it's not going anywhere unless you wash it out. It smells like sunscreen. That's weird. I'm having the worst time with this. Okay, so it's a very metallic looking purple. I did already comb through my hair to make sure there were no tangles, because I don't want the color to get caught in the tangle or just make it look uneven. I'm going to section off my hair just so it's a little bit easier to work with. I know I look really stupid. Let me just try and fix that. A little less stupid. Okay, so they say to take a finger full of wax. I don't really know how much, so I'm gonna do that much, and to spread evenly on your palm. Okay, so, and then just do this, I guess, until your hands look like that. Okay, and then it just says, place it on your hair. Here we go. And it says it dries pretty quickly, so this is something that you have to be very quick about, I guess. Yeah, this dries so quickly. I can't believe how quickly that dried. Going in for some more. I mean, you can see the purple showing up. It's extremely stiff right now, so we'll have to see if we can work that out. I'm going to comb through it again after I'm finished. I feel like all that product goes away very quickly. It looks like a lot when you take it out, and then it just absorbs right away. They also say that this can be used on any hair color. Obviously, it's going to show up brighter on blonde hair, but they have pictures of people with dark hair using this. I need to get some on the underside. I feel like it's really hard to apply this evenly. Maybe I should have gone in smaller strokes, but since it's a wax, it kind of just likes to settle where it's put. It's not the easiest to rub through your hair. Like, it feels really rough. It'll probably feel that way until I comb it out. I hope it feels better after I comb it out. It dries super quickly, so you really do have to move lightning fast.
Like a bird on a tree.
I watched one video where someone actually put the wax on their brush and brushed it through. I don't know if that would make it less inclined to be so chunky, but that's another thing you could try. Yeah, my hair feels super sticky and stiff. My hands are still very purple. I'm gonna try brushing through this bottom layer before I start the top layer. Ooh. It's a little hard passing through. They say this doesn't harm your hair, but I feel like it could possibly, since you're brushing through your hair with such a stiff product. It still feels pretty stiff. I might need like a fine tooth comb to really brush it out. 4 hours later. As I'm brushing it, little flecks are on my pants, so I don't know if I'm just like brushing it out, but my hair feels still, very stiff. Ow. Okay, I'm gonna go see if I can find a finer tooth comb to finish the rest of this. Okay, so I took down the top layer of my hair and pinned back the lower part. When I looked in a big mirror, I could barely tell that there was any color there. Like I walked in there and I was like, are you serious? I feel like it looked a lot brighter on the camera than it does in person, or I just brushed it all out, but you can't really help brushing it out because it'll be extremely stiff, visibly stiff, if you don't comb it through. So it's like comb the product out or have your hair look stick straight. So I dampened my top layer of hair a little bit to see if that helps it maybe not be so stiff. And I'm gonna go through in smaller sections this time. Instead of waiting till the very end to comb through everything, I'm going to comb it through right after I apply it and hope that that makes it look a little bit better. It did rinse off extremely easily, so it's not going to stain your hands, and if for some reason it does get on your pillowcases or your t-shirt, it's going to wash out instantly. I know I look crazy, but this is just how I look when I do my hair.
I got time.
Can't tell if that left much product in there after brushing it. Add some more to the ends. It still feels very stiff. I don't know if you can see the purple. I don't know. Look how stiff that is.
It's clear to see.
Also, I would like to say, if you are watching this and you're thinking, duh, Sarah, it's wax, your hair is gonna look stiff. Well, the pictures that they're putting on Instagram and the pictures on their website, their hair looks normal. I know that that's just advertising and it may not even be the product in their hair, but that's where that expectation came from.
From up here, the world seems small.
That looks purple, at least in the camera. I do not like the way my hair feels with this on. This is time consuming. I didn't know what I was getting myself into. And if I have to wash this out tonight, oh, the things I do for 50 views.
We can sit.
I hope you can't hear my cat licking herself. She seriously only chooses to do that either when I'm filming or I'm trying to sleep. Like, she will be sleeping in my bed and I will climb in my bed to go to sleep as well, and all of a sudden she'll wake up and decide, now's a good time to loudly clean myself.
Together, it's so beautiful. You and me, we meant to.
So stiff, oh my goodness. It's really hard to brush through. Okay, so as of right now, this feels horrible in my hair. Like, it feels like I straight up just dunked my hair in wax. I don't know how they expect you to put this all over your hair to wear like normal. I could see if you're a guy or girl with really short hair, like pixie cut, but long hair, I don't know, I might let it dry for a little bit longer and see if that makes any kind of difference, and then I'll come back. But as of right now, yikes. Now my cat is playing with her toy. My videos are just constantly my cat trying to make as much noise as possible to distract me. So it's been like an hour and a half since I put this on my hair, and you definitely can see the purple. It's evident, it is showing up on my brown hair. However, my hair feels disgusting. It feels so stiff, so like hay. Feels dry, like straw. Like, I don't think I could style it. I can't even run my fingers through my hair. I keep brushing through, and each time I feel some sort of resistance. Even though I've been brushing through the same stuff, it's just catching on all of the product, and I don't know if it's just pilling in certain areas or what is going on, but it does not feel good on my hair. I would not feel comfortable going a whole day like this. Like if anyone touches my hair, they would feel immediately how gross it feels. Like it doesn't feel like human hair. I can't even really describe it. Just from running my hands through my hair, it's coming off. They say it doesn't come off onto your pillowcases or your shirt. I don't know if that can even catch it, but if it's all over my hands, it's gonna get on other things. I don't understand. I feel duped, lied to, manipulated. I don't even know if I can get my money back for this because I have a ton left in here, like 3/4 or more of a jar. And I don't know what I would ever do with this. And I like the color, I like the purple, but even though I used so much, it's not even. It's really hard since it's a wax to get it to blend out evenly. You can probably see areas where there's more brown, and I'm just getting my hands more purple. Great. So does this work in theory? Yes. Is this something realistically that anyone with long hair would want to wear all day? Absolutely not. I don't know if there's anything else left to say other than just this is another fail. I should have known. It was too good to be true. Colored hair for one day. Nope. To summarize, if you didn't get the memo throughout this entire video, don't buy this. It's a scam. I feel like they make all of their money off of people like me that see it in an Instagram ad, are suckers for Instagram ads, and buy it based off of that. You live and you learn. I'm still learning. But I'm still determined to find another great hair coloring product because I don't want brown hair. Hopefully this wasn't too painful to watch. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, or if you feel sorry for me, give it a like or a thumbs up, or whatever you want to call it. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see me make myself look stupid a little bit more. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your support. I will hopefully see you in my next video.